To start this installation off, we're going to install our rear brackets to the rear of the cargo box, ensuring that the curved portion of the bracket is facing downward. When installing this bracket, we're going to use the smaller of the 2 bolts provided in the hardware kit. Now we're going to install the front brackets, ensuring that when we install the brackets, the angled portion is facing downward. We're going to use the same small hardware as we used on the rear on the front. Before we get the cooler into the machine, we need to install our lower mounts into the bed. First, we need to remove 2 T40 screws from the bed located here and here. Once the screws are removed from the bed, we're going to install the spacers and the holes where the screws were. Now we're going to install the lower mount using the longer bolt and the washer. Now that everything's prepped, let's install the cooler in the machine. Line the rear brackets up with these 2 holes. Now, insert the pin to attach the bracket to the lower mount. So that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's insulated cooler cargo box on a Polaris RZR. For more information on this, or any of SuperATV's awesome products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.